Welcome to Great Lakes Dental Clinic and Orthodontic Care, Kolkata. Today we are discussing about how to manage poorly made crowns by replacing them with all ceramic crowns. This is the most awarded cosmetic dental clinic in Kolkata. Patient reported to us with poorly made crowns and multiple times crowns coming off and was very unhappy with her smile. She had done crowns from a previous dentist, and due to the crowns not being made really well, they used to come off every now and then. Moreover, the crowns were not of ideal color, and the patient was really unhappy with the smile. When we looked inside her mouth, we noted that the teeth were really cut into half, and over trimming of the teeth was done to make those crowns. Therefore, the crowns were coming off, and she was also unhappy with the looks that she got after making those metal ceramic crowns. We can note here that there are bleeding spots also in and around the poorly made crowns. So this was exactly the situation inside her mouth, where the crowns were poorly made, the teeth were grossly trimmed, and it was purely done by an inexperienced dentist. She had come to us to replace them with natural looking crowns so that no one can understand that they are artificial. And she also wanted a solution to the problem that these crowns were repeatedly coming out. So she wanted the crowns to remain fixed for the rest of her life. We analyzed her case and we noted that she also wanted a quick solution to this problem. She was very shy and was conscious about her problem. She also wanted a really quick solution. So the option one was given was metal ceramic crowns to replace the poorly made metal ceramic crowns. These crowns have metals inside and the top layer is coated with ceramic. The problem with these crowns in the front teeth region is that they don't look purely aesthetic or they don't give a very natural look, but they are comparatively cheaper than the all ceramic crowns. The option two that was given was to replace these crowns with all ceramic crowns. These are best choice for front teeth. They are very natural looking and no one can identify them as artificial ones if they are really made well. Patient chose all ceramic crowns. For replacing it, she wanted a permanent solution and she wanted teeth to look very natural. So we did a digital designing of these all ceramic crowns with computerized designing and color analysis. And once the analysis was done, it was a part of the DSD program, a digital smile designing program, which we have inbuilt in our clinic. So after the designing was done and the retrimming of the teeth were done and the broken pieces were again reconstructed, we took a 3D measurement and then made a 3D print of the model for making these all ceramic crowns. First, the shape approval of these crowns was done from the patient. And once the shape approval was done, we did a color approval. And once she was very happy with her color of the teeth, then we made all the crowns. Once the crowns were made, they were fixed inside the mouth. And the magic of the treatment lies in getting the final result. This was before treatment, and this is after treatment results, where all the crowns were made of natural shade and contour so that no one from a distance can identify them as artificial teeth. She was very happy with her looks because this was her teeth before treatment. And then after 2 hours of work, when we gave her the final result, she was really smiling confidently. That facial transformation after 2 hours of work. When you look from the left-hand side, the teeth were really grossly trimmed and they were looking very unnatural. But after the work was over, she gave a fabulous smile. That was exactly how she looked at the end of the treatment. She was smiling with confidence just after a few hours. From the right hand side also, the tooth looked very unnatural and the gums were all bleeding because the crowns were poorly fitted. The final result that we got was she looked really nice at the end of the treatment. The smile improvement after a few hours of work. This was her success story and this could be yours too. This is how she started and this was her result at the end of the treatment. All these crowns, if they are not done really well, give a very fake look and therefore needs to be reconstructed. Some of the patients might have come to us where they have done the crowns from a previous dentist and they were unhappy with the looks, and then we redid the whole treatment and gave her this fabulous smile. We have similar issues and want to meet our chief orthodontist and cosmetic smile designing expert for similar issues like this. You can meet Dr. Abhishek Ghosh in our clinic in South Kolkata, Great Lakes Dental Clinic and Orthodontic Care. We are the most internationally awarded dental clinic in Kolkata with an award and certification, and the only dental clinic in Kolkata to have it from the Royal College of Surgeons, UK, London, Royal College of Surgeons, Ireland, Royal College of Surgeons and Physicians, Glasgow, and the Royal College of Surgeons, Edinburgh. For the services that we have rendered over the years, we have been awarded one of the best dental clinics in Kolkata for the present year 2020. If you want to discuss your problems with us or you want to show us for similar issues or other dental problems, because we treat a whole lot of dental issues, almost everything from dental implants to cosmetic smile designing to dental braces. You can visit us at www.greatlakesdentalclinics.com or contact us at 833-709-8496 or 833-5979-173. Thank you for looking into this video. Keep subscribing us in YouTube to know more about recent trends in dentistry in Kolkata.